Whether you're an avid outdoor enthusiast, a seasoned adventurer, or simply someone who wants to be prepared for unexpected situations, having the right tool can make things much easier for you. From innovative multi-tools to cutting-edge survival equipment, we've rounded up the 7 must-have survival gear and gadgets you should see. Starting off with the Lifesaver, a remarkable tool designed to keep you prepared in the most challenging outdoor situations. Shaped like a torchlight, this multi-featured device is a true lifesaver. When you find yourself in need of a safe drinking water source, simply activate the water purification mode and let the device work its magic. It will eliminate harmful bacteria and viruses, ensuring you have access to clean drinking water wherever you are. It also functions as a reliable flashlight and lantern, providing illumination when darkness falls. Whether you need to navigate through dense forests, search for supplies in a dimly lit environment, or simply set up camp after sunset, this versatile tool has got you covered. It has a strobe siren that serves multiple purposes. In potentially dangerous situations, you can activate the strobe siren to scare away animals and keep yourself safe. Alternatively, it can be used as a signaling device to attract the attention of rescuers. Its waterproof plasma lighter module enables you to ignite a fire regardless of the weather conditions. This also incorporates a unique power generation mechanism. With a simple twirl of the device, you can effortlessly generate power to charge up your essential gear, such as phones or other electronic devices. Lifesaver is the ultimate companion for wilderness survival. When it comes to staying prepared and informed in the great outdoors, the Sidekick Weather Alert Radio is the perfect companion. This rugged, rechargeable, and reliable device offers a plethora of features to keep you connected and powered up, no matter where your adventures take you. With the solar-powered charging capability, this Weather Alert Radio harnesses the power of the sun to keep its internal rechargeable lithium battery topped up. This means that even in remote areas or during power outages, you can rely on the sun's energy to keep your device functioning. It also boasts a built-in Bluetooth speaker, allowing you to stream your favorite music wirelessly. It features ambient light functionality to navigate at night, even when there's no access to sunlight. This hand-crank power generation feature ensures that you have a reliable backup charging method at your disposal. Furthermore, the Sidekick is not just a weather alert radio, but also a versatile device for recharging your personal electronics. Whether you need to charge your smartphone, tablet, or any other USB-powered device, the Sidekick has got you covered. With its built-in rechargeable battery and multiple charging options, you can keep your essential devices powered up and connected even in remote locations. In times of emergencies, every moment is crucial, and even the smallest tool can come in handy. And that's where the WYN Bullet comes in, the world's most powerful spring-loaded emergency window breaker. This bullet-shaped window breaker delivers a forceful strike directly to a tungsten carbide tip, providing vehicle occupants with a reliable tool to break car windows for emergency cases. This compact tool is incredibly easy to carry, fitting conveniently on your keyring or in your pocket. Its compact size ensures that you always have it within reach, ready to use when needed the most. The lightweight design and minimalist form factor make it a practical and unobtrusive addition to your everyday carry items. For any serious survivalist, Holtzman's survival bracelet is an indispensable accessory. This versatile Paracord bracelet is not just a fashion statement. It's a compact survival kit packed with essential tools and gear to help you overcome challenging situations in the wilderness. The Holtzman's survival bracelet boasts an impressive 25-piece kit, ensuring you have the necessary tools at your fingertips when it matters the most. Among its key features are a fire starter, duct tape, a razor blade, finishing line, fishing hooks, a whistle, paracord, a multi-tool, and several other vital survival tools. And these components have been thoughtfully selected to provide you with a comprehensive range of resources for various survival scenarios. Next on the list, this Septem Hunt 4.0 is not your average flashlight. It's a remarkable multi-use survival tool designed to meet the demands of adventurers and survivalists. Crafted from durable titanium, this tool is built to last. One of the standout features of the Septem Hunt 4.0 is its versatility and resilience. Whether you find yourself in scorching heat, bone-chilling cold, or submerged underwater, this flashlight continues to perform reliably, providing you with a steady beam of light when you need it the most. Its ability to withstand harsh environments ensures that you can depend on it in any situation, making it an ideal companion for emergency preparedness. It also incorporates a powerful and refillable lighter. With this integrated lighter, you can easily ignite fires for warmth, cooking, or signaling purposes. Furthermore, this multifunctional tool includes a built-in pry bar. With the pry bar feature, you can quickly and efficiently open cans and tighten a flathead screw, allowing for easy access to essential supplies and resources. The compact and lightweight design of Hunt 4.0 makes it easy to carry as part of your everyday essentials, ensuring that you always are prepared for unexpected situations. When it comes to harsh weather conditions and emergency situations, the Go Time Gear Life Tent is your reliable companion for survival. This two-person emergency shelter is designed to protect you from the elements and keep you alive in challenging circumstances. Constructed with extra thick, tear-resistant and puncture-resistant material, the Life Tent ensures durability and longevity. It effectively locks out rain, wind, and snow, providing a waterproof and windproof barrier to shield you from the harshest weather conditions. Unlike ordinary tube tents, the Life Tent features a reflective interior that reflects up to 90% of your body heat, effectively keeping you warm and protecting you from the risk of hypothermia. Setting up the Life Tent is quick and easy, allowing you to rapidly provide yourself with essential shelter during emergencies. Its user-friendly design ensures that you can swiftly protect yourself even in high-stress situations. In addition to its protective features, the Life Tent also includes a powerful survival whistle with a thunderous 120 decibel sound. This whistle is designed to cut through strong winds and trees, alerting rescuers up to 1 mile away. Despite its compact size, weighing just 8.7 ounces and small enough to fit in the palm of your hand, the Life Tent is built to withstand dangerous survival scenarios and repeated use. When you're done using the Life Tent, it can be easily folded, rolled back up, and conveniently stored in the waterproof nylon stuff sack included with the product. This ensures that the Life Tent remains protected and ready for future use. Finally, the Medford USMC fighter knife is a remarkable survival gear that excels in demanding conditions. Crafted with CPM S35VN steel, this knife ensures a durable blade with unparalleled strength and exceptional edge retention. Its fixed blade design, combined with the drop point shape, contributes to its versatility and reliability in various survival scenarios. Its solid titanium pommel adds weight and balance to the knife. This feature not only enhances its performance, but also offers a tactical advantage during critical situations. The knife's 3D textured G10 handle is specifically designed to provide a high-performance grip even in challenging and slippery conditions. This feature ensures a secure and comfortable hold, enabling the user to maintain precise control over the knife during survival tasks. To facilitate easy carry and accessibility, the Medford USMC fighter knife comes with a custom leather sheath. This sheath is thoughtfully designed to securely hold the knife and allows for convenient belt carry, ensuring that the knife is readily available when needed. So, these were our picks for the 7 must-have survival gear and gadgets that you should see. Thanks for watching. Feel free to let us know what you think in the comments and share this video if you found it helpful. To know more about outdoor products, reviews, and buying guides, you can visit our website mailoutdoorzone.com.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we've missed a product or there's a product we should add, we'd love to hear your opinion.